Hello everyone, I am Walt, and here we are today. Very nice day out here. Yeah, and we're talking through another one of our 101 ways to feel happy on a daily basis. So let's dive on into that. Here we are with part 53, I believe. I believe that's the right number. Don't quite remember, but I do remember the principle here, which is all about forgiveness, to forgive someone, particularly yourself. For basically a way to be happy, this is a phenomenal kind of method, but it's also not quite easy, I would say, is a big part of this when it comes to forgiveness, because I think we hold ourselves to slightly higher standards than we can hold others to. I mean, I don't think that's always true, but I think a lot of people do that. I mean, people who judge others often just judge themselves harshly. It's kind of a boomerang effect that the subconscious mind has on you. And I mean, it's just simply, it works a lot like this. And it's really hard to forgive people, I think, is just kind of a part about a lot of human nature. People have a perfectionist kind of attitude that's built into them, programmed into them from an early age about you should do things perfectly. So there are plenty of things people will not do perfectly. You'll be betrayed. You'll have to deal with this. You'll have to deal with that. And then after going through all this kind of stuff, people have a hard time letting these things go, particularly if anything is still ongoing. So, or if there are reminders of it, it's really hard to let these things go if the outcome is not certain, if the problem has not been resolved, particularly with oneself, you know? Because sometimes we make mistakes and we're like, what's going to say I'm not going to make that mistake again, that this thing isn't going to work. Just the other day I had an example where I had left my live trading to go and get food, and I'd come back and I saw a trade in play, and I went ahead and took it, even though it was after what my rules said was the right time to take it. And this turned my winning day into a losing day, and I had a tough time forgiving myself for this because I knew better than to do that, yet I ended up doing that. So I felt disappointed, I felt upset, felt betrayed by my own actions there. And so the thing about being happy, though, is to just say, okay, that's already in the past. I'll learn a lesson from it. I'll make sure I'm not going to do that again. It's very, unlikely and such. But we all make mistakes. We're all human here. We just are going to have to go through things like that. So I would say that's the greatest lesson you can learn from it, is just to say, okay, you know what? It's okay. No matter what's happened in the past, I can do better. Things will be better. And that's really a key to happiness. Anyway, that's about it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys next time with part 54. So stay tuned, and I'll see you guys then.